Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI, and this Keurig Milk Frother is amazing. It froths soya milk perfectly.
Not just soya milk, I made a chai tea latte. This is the finished product of cashew milk, and look at the froth. It was so delicious, so frothy. I've been impressed as well at how quickly it will heat up and froth the milk. It's done in no time. There's also a setting if I don't want to heat it and I can just have the cold froth as well. I'm just really impressed that it can froth so many different types of milk, from oat milk to cashew milk to any kind of nut milk, and of course regular milk as well. Cleanup is such a breeze. I just run some water through it. I could even run some soap if I needed to, but usually if water is enough, it's really easy to clean. I like this sleek design. Even though it's compact, it still holds around 6 ounces of milk. This frother will make your coffees look so fancy and taste delicious.
I think it's super. I really like it. I use it every day, and that's my point of view.